Speak the truth. Some people have a really hard time speaking the truth. And that's a given because we're so used to, as being people, is telling those little white lies, the ones we tell to maybe save someone from hurting their feelings or to get ourselves out of a predicament, whatever the case may be. But the point is that words have a vibration, that have a meaning, that have a frequency that attracts back to us. So when you speak the truth, you are speaking out a truth that is from the heart, hopefully, and it's going out there to the world, to the universe, to the people around you. What happens is when you speak the truth, you just bring back that energy to you. Granted, I'm not saying that you won't get rich and you won't be successful if you don't. Some of the most successful people in the world are chronic liars. Are they happy? Usually not. Are they content with their lives? Usually not. So take a look at those facts because when you tell a lie, that is actually a negative energy. And that just keeps going out more and more and more. And the more that negative energy flows out from you, the more it comes back to you. It may be ways you don't even realize. So if you're going through a phase in time where you're like, okay, things aren't going very good, I'm not very happy right now, so what can I do to make it better? Start using your senses, guys. Use your truth. When you can speak the truth and have it from the heart, not only is it easier to remember the truth than it is a lie, but then again, we have chronic liars who they believe what they say, even though it's a lie. And it's not the truth. But that is an energy that will always come back. So people that are not happy, that are not content, regardless of how much money you have, where you live, what you do, it doesn't matter. It hits us all individually and groups. You'll be surprised to know when I found out about this simple little fact that the truth sends you back good vibrations, good energy. Not just that, it gives you a happier life. When you tell the lies, when you don't tell the truth, when you fabricate, those are all negative energies, and those negative energies come back to you. It may be in the form of a bad relationship. Maybe you don't have the job that you want. Maybe you do, and you have to lie your way to the top, or so you thought. So take a look at the people around you. Granted, it is proven fact that we are only as good as the top 5 people we hang around with. Those people give us their energy, their insight, their vibrations, not just that, they give us their lies and their stories. We don't want that to happen to us. We want to stay with our truth, stay in our good energy, and let that energy flow around us, through us, and to us. Because it always comes back. You may know people that have had a really hard time. And you may say, well, this person's always lying. I can't ever believe them. Why do you hang around them? Why do you do that? Why do you let that energy come back on you? It's going to come back to you and it sticks like glue. That negative energy is like super glue. It sticks to you and it's really hard to shake it off because you keep going back over and over and over again. So take a step back and look and see what can I do for me, for my family, in my life that is going to benefit us all. And a lot of things you can do simply just by changing your actions. Telling the truth is one action that some people find really hard to do because they always do the little white lie to save people, to make things happy and to make things content for people. Take a look at what your excuse is for telling those little white lies or the big whoppers and change your attitude, change your style, change your lifestyle by telling your truth. When you can tell the truth, that energy comes back to you so blessing. It just feels so good. The Lord meant for us to have all of these universal laws. Cause and effect is a huge one. So use them to your benefit and to your prosperity. Everything you do, like I said, it will not determine if you are rich or poor. It determines on if you are going to keep going